Welcome to the program Getting Ready for Job Interview, the MM Patel Way. In this part, we are going to see a few indicative interviews. For other videos, go to youtube.com and search for Maganlal Patel. In this part, we are going to see the responses made by a highly suitable candidate. He is a highly confident student. He remains confident throughout. He remains composed too. He demonstrates thorough knowledge and readiness to perform with maturity. Please tell us something about yourself. You have 2 minutes time. My name is Ramesh Jain. My father is branch manager with State Bank and my mother is housewife. I have one brother who is studying in second year of engineering. I completed my schooling in Jalna, securing 85%. I joined junior college at Aurangabad and my score was 91%. I always topped my class. I joined Government Engineering College at Pune to pursue mechanical engineering. I completed 3 years with 70, 72 and 74% respectively. I am in 4th year now. I was one of the top 5 students during all 3 years. I did in-plant training in Axle Engineering for 1.5 months. They manufacture auto components. I worked with Productivity Cell on a project of rejection reduction of main shaft. The candidate demonstrated academic excellence and consistency. He also demonstrated systematic communication. My proposal of modification of fixture was accepted and implemented. That brought down rejection from 0.5% to almost nil. I was appreciated by Mr. Parikh, General Manager, for my work. The candidate demonstrated relevant project work and his result orientation. I am social and take active part in college gathering and other similar activities. I ensure proper planning. I have developed communication skills and interpersonal effectiveness and have got a good grip on time management. The candidate demonstrated his social activity with a purpose. He also demonstrated development of managerial skills. I would like to be a successful leader. I would like to contribute to the growth of the organization I would work for. At the same time, I would like to be an ideal family member and an ideal citizen. The candidate demonstrated clear and balanced ambitions. What is your target score for this semester? How did you plan to achieve? My target of this semester is 78%. I'll explain my plans. The candidate demonstrated clear expectations from himself. 1. I have already collected question papers of last 7 examinations and have analyzed. My analysis is chapter wise and type of question wise, that is theoretical or practical. This analysis is helping me. The candidate demonstrated action orientation for results. I have used this analysis to make study plan of 4 months. My plan is daily, subject and chapter wise. I have provided for weekly monitoring. I make up on Sundays whatever I could not do during weekdays. The candidate demonstrated managerial planning and monitoring skills. To allocate number of hours for each topic, I have considered type of topic, practice hours, my earlier knowledge, etc. My planning required about 10% adjustments. I take less time for some topics and more for some. The candidate demonstrated planning with vision and foresight. I also make notes for revision. My notes will enable revision in less time. The candidate demonstrated his ability of multidirectional thinking and actions. Every week I refer to past questions. That boosts my confidence level. These actions enable me to seek help of teachers and my seniors when needed. I'll be completing my study 10 days before examination. This will give me revision time before examination. My planning and monitoring is documented. I use MS Excel for this. The candidate demonstrated time management skill and use of technology for planning and monitoring. Which is the subject you liked most last year? Please also explain the reasons of your liking. Last year we studied 4 subjects. They were machine design, workshop practice, electrical engineering and management practices. The candidate demonstrated good memory. Out of these, my most favorite subject was machine design. The candidate demonstrated awareness of personal liking. From very beginning, I liked mechanical engineering. I like to see things in operation and I get excited studying and observing those things. Even I like to design mechanical assemblies. The candidate demonstrated clarity about his personal interests. During last semester, I, along with 2 classmates, designed a foldable home structure. The size was about 1.5 meter cube. During summer vacation, we manufactured it. We created flexible room sizes and shapes. The time to change used to vary between 5 minutes to half an hour. We designed special 3-dimensional joints and hinges. Some joints were hydraulic. The candidate demonstrated his willingness and ability to convert liking to actions and results. I think such designs can be used by builders and even by defense. The candidate demonstrated possibility thinking and multidirectional thinking. I would like to pursue a career in mechanical engineering. I would like to work in production or design or quality related areas. The candidate demonstrated converting liking to career. You would prefer to be a leader or a follower? Elaborate, giving reasons of your choice. Let me think for a minute, sir. The candidate demonstrated habit of reflection. He could show his thoughtfulness. Sir, I think I cannot make a single choice. I would certainly like to be a leader and lead the people working under me. However, I'll have some people senior to me. I need to be a follower as well. Unless I become an effective follower and set an example, I will not be able to make my people follow me. The candidate demonstrated managerial clarity and maturity. I should learn and develop myself for both these roles. The candidate also demonstrated self-awareness. What is your opinion about long working hours? Would you be able to sustain the pressure of long working hours? Sir, I would like to analyze long working hours first. Firstly, long working hours could be because of more work. Secondly, long working hours could be because of poor planning. The candidate demonstrated his ability to do in-depth analysis before speaking or taking any action. In first case, for me there is no issue. I am fresh and have a lot of stamina. I am used to long working hours. During my college days, I had taken active part in practically all the events very actively. I always took the responsibilities and ensured to fulfill them. I am a good planner. I can always plan and work. That will reduce uncertainty and stress. The candidate demonstrated hard working with planning. Long working hours because of poor planning needs to be taken care of by proper planning. The candidate demonstrated his ability to see all sides of an issue. As far as managing stress is concerned, I practice meditation every morning and evening. I have also learnt few relaxation techniques. The candidate demonstrated his readiness to face stress in job. Tell us something about your personality. Sir, I am not very clear of your expectations. Personality is made up of knowledge, skill, and attitude. These three elements make a person behave in a particular way. Which part of personality should I explain? Are you asking about my personal strength and weaknesses? The candidate demonstrated self-confidence and ability to ask for clarification. Exactly. First tell us about your strengths. Sir, my biggest strength is analytical thinking. I can analyze a situation or problem from many possible angles. I can also evaluate possible actions. This makes me a good decision maker. I am also. The candidate demonstrated self-awareness. He also showed self-awareness repeatedly. If a top film actress proposes to you, will you marry her? Sir, this is a difficult situation and cannot be responded simply by yes or no. The candidate did not submit to pressure. Many factors are to be considered, like the reason and motive of the actress. Is she doing it out of some compulsion? Future planning of her family background, her personality and values, her age, etc. Similar things apply to me. The candidate demonstrated his ability to sustain critical situations. There has got to be match of so many things. If they match, it's okay. If no, naturally I would deny. The candidate demonstrated logical and rational thinking. That is fine. Now what about your weaknesses? My biggest weakness is my getting upset when things do not turn out my way in my personal performance and commitment. I know I need to be more patient and believe that every time perfection is not possible. Recently I attended a seminar on emotional intelligence. I am working on my belief system. I am sure it will affect my performance. The candidate demonstrated self-awareness and admittance. He also demonstrated his willingness to improve. We will offer you a very challenging job, but at a low salary. Will that be okay? Considering today's conditions, I would bother more for job content than the salary. If I get high salary and inferior job, I'll be reducing my market value. But if I work on challenging assignments, my personal and professional worth would increase. That will give me return in future. I will look to challenging job as investment for future. The candidate demonstrated his proactive attitude. He also demonstrated his ability to analyze rationally in conflicting situations. Done, gentlemen. We offer you rupees 8,000 a month. Now decide. Yes sir, I'll join. I'm sure I'll create conditions for you to give me my market value after I perform. The candidate demonstrated his ability to be light and hopeful without being casual. Believe me, we will not give you more even when you perform. Would you continue with us? No one would continue, sir, and naturally that is applicable to me also. The candidate demonstrated his ability to confidently handle critical situations. Okay, now the last question. What are your hobbies? Sir, to be very frank, nothing particularly. I was working hard on academics and college activities. I could not pursue a hobby. However, I like to work on two things. The candidate demonstrated his frankness and honesty. First would be reading. I would like to read management and organizational books. I would like to read spiritual books too. We have philosophical and spiritual book in my family library. I need to add managerial books. I have read books like Shiv Khera, 7 Habits, Gita, but not in good depth. I would start serious reading after examination. Second, I would like to learn industrial photography. I already have interest in photography. The candidate demonstrated his plans for pursuing hobby. He also demonstrated resourcefulness. He could demonstrate his habit of planning and prioritizing. Would you like to ask something to us? Sir, tell me whether I need to prepare myself in some particular area before I join you, if selected. Secondly, I would like to contact you for guidance in future. Will that be okay? The candidate demonstrated matured questioning and his future vision. First part, nothing in particular. We have our own induction program. You can always contact us on professional front. Second, you will get the result from your placement officer. Thanks. Thanks, sir. Good day, sir. The candidate demonstrated professional behavior. The candidate remained confident and composed throughout. He demonstrated his depth of knowledge with understanding. He was matured both in professional as well as personal front. He demonstrated high level of self-esteem and self-confidence. He also demonstrated his learning attitude and action orientation. This candidate naturally would fall in highly suitable category. For other videos, go to youtube.com and search for Maganlal Patel.